Hello friend, I'm Yatharth and I'm working in VGT, Vertical Global Tech as UI UX designer. You might have heard what is UI and UX. UI is user interface and UX is user experience. Both play a vital role in the design field. What UI and UX do, they club the user and computers together to display an interactive things so that users can have a friendly designs. There are various principles of UI and UX design. Among them, hierarchy, consistency, flexibility, colors, typography, elements are the major elements in UI and UX design. VGT crafts the UI and UX design from paper to CGI. CGI means computer graphics image. If you want to feel the experience of UI and UX design, we can surely help you and bring out an awesome design. For this, let's connect together and follow us for more.